Hi friends. Welcome to Dentistry Love channel. Canal identification in RCT. Let's see. Aids in locating root canal orifices. VERTUCCI'S classification. WEINE'S classification. Dentinal map. Shapes of canals. ISTHMUS. Aids in locating root canal orifices. Endodontic explorer. Troughing of grooves with ultrasonic tips. Staining the chamber floor with 1% methyl and blue dye. Performing sodium hypochlorite champagne bubble test and visualizing canal bleeding points and magnification and illumination. VERTUCCI'S classification. Type 1 is 1,1, 1 canal ends as 1 canal. Type 2 is 2,1, 2 canals fused as 1 in end. Type 3 is 1,2,1. 1 canal becomes 2 in the mid and end as 1. Type 4 is 2,2, 2 canals ends as 2 itself. Type 5 is 1,2, 1 canal ends as 2. Type 6 is 2,1,2, 2 canals fused as 1 in mid and end as 2. Type 7 is 1,2,1,2. 1 canal becomes 2 in the coronal third of root and becomes as 1 inch the mid and ends as 2. Type 8 is 3,3, 3 canals ends as 3 itself. WEINE'S classification. Type 1 is 1,1, 1 canal ends as 1. Type 2 is 2,1, 2 canals ends as 1. Type 3 is 2,2, 2 canals ends as 2. Type 4 is 1,2, 1 canal ends as 2. Dentinal map. All the canals are located at the end of grooves of map. The anatomic dark lines in the pulpal floor, dentinal map, should be examined and followed with an endodontic explorer to identify the canal orifices. Shape of canals. Circular. Conical pyramid. Oval. Flattened, ribbon. H-shaped. C-shaped. Calcified. Trapezoidal and teardrop-shaped. Here it is explained in the pic. Here, some pics for you. Teardrop-shaped, H-shaped, flattened ribbon-shaped, C-shaped canal, round and oval-shaped canals. Here, it's a pic of the cross-section of premolars which shows H-shaped, flattened ribbon-shaped and oval-shaped canal. Isthmus. An isthmus is a narrow ribbon-shaped communication between two root canals that contain pulp or pulpally derived tissue. Here it's a pic explains its types. Type 1 incomplete isthmus, faint communication between two canals. Type 2 is complete isthmus with well-defined communication between two. Type 3 is very short complete isthmus between two. Type 4 is complete or incomplete between two or more canals, and Type 4 is marked by 2 or more canals with no communication. Thank you friends. Please do subscribe for more videos.